Good morning and welcome to my Vedanta classes. My name is Anil Pate. We will discussing today some little different topic is substitutional phrases म्हणजे पर्यायी वाक्य to make a maximum phrases out of one. I have been discussing or we have discussed or I have told you at the time of uh, common phrases when I have uploaded some video. I have told in video that you have to make at least 2 to 5 sentences out of each sentence. So today we'll discuss how to make a 2 to 5 sentences from one. So we have chosen some of one sentence, one phrase, and you can see how we have made 2 to 5 phrases out of one. So just see on screen. I have selected one phrases. Do you think it will rain today? तुला वाटते आज पाऊस पडेल? Do you think it will rain today? So we have prepared 5 phrases from word rain. You can see, do you think it will rain today? Then you can say, do you think it will rain tomorrow? So you have changed today instead tomorrow. Do you think it will rain this afternoon? Do you think it will rain tonight? Do you think Raj it will rain? It will continuous rain? Do you think it will be heavy rain? So on the basis of one sentence we can make a minimum 2 to 5 sentences. This is the way how you have to make a sentences. You can even change do you or are you something. Are you think it will rain? Are you she will think it will rain? So we can change number of phrases on the basis of what I have given. You can still just discuss another phrase. Do you have good time hiking today? Do you have good time hiking today? मला वाटते आज हायकिंगसाठी चांगला वेळ आहे. हायकिंग म्हणजे वी आर गोइंग ऑन लॉंग वॉकिंग. हायकिंग म्हणजे पायरपीट बोलतात त्याला. Okay, now how you have make 5 sentences from first. Do you have good time hiking today? So we have change hiking. So first, do you have good time reading today? Do you have good time reading today? Do you have good time walking today? Do you have good time walking today? Do you have good time swimming today? Do you have good time playing today? Do you have good time driving today? So changing hiking, you can make reading, walking, swimming, playing. You can also insert number of things, a number of verbs, or you can change nouns, adverb, and you can make a number of phrases on the basis of or on the basis of this using this format. So we have learned 2 phrases. We'll move some number next. Then you can see a third one. Is Dr. Patil in? Is Dr. Patil in? डॉक्टर आता अवेलेबल आहेत का? आहेत का म्हणजे आत आहेत का? So on that basis we have changed and prepared next 5 phrases. Just you can see on the screen. Is Dr. Patil available instead of in? Is Dr. Patil available? Is Dr. Patil here? Is Dr. Patil around? Is Dr. Patil at home? Is Dr. Patil on patient's visit? So you can change number of phrases from one sentence. So on this basis you can use this formula and you can make a change verb, pronoun, adverb, and make a number of phrases. Then next we can we'll also take another example. It is hard to tell. It's hard to tell. ते सांगायला कठोर आहे. So we have changed hard and inserted it's tough to tell. It's tough to tell. It's difficult to tell. It's not easy to tell. It's a really complicated to tell. It's a so simple to tell. So these are five simple phrases we have made on the basis of one sentences, which we can also use. This is for practice exercise, so it will be for easy to how to make sentences from 1 to 2, 1 from 1 to 5. Then last slides, uh, sentence phrases I have taken. I am going to the beach this afternoon. I am going to the beach this afternoon. So मी आज दुपारी beach वर जाते. So I have changed beach. Instead we have say I am going to the park this afternoon. I am going to the park this afternoon. I am going to the library this afternoon. I am going to the store this afternoon. I am going to the bookshop this afternoon. I am going to the medical shop this afternoon. So we can change number of phrases by using verbs, nouns, pronouns, or any other thing which you feel is a proper full but short sentences. You can afternoon, you can say night, you can say any other so you can say tomorrow, today. You can change anything which you feel fit. Then last sentences I have taken. Good, we need more people to play. Good, we need more people to play. म्हणजे ठीक आहे, आम्हाला खेळण्यासाठी जास्त लोकांची गरज आहे. So we have here we have prepared 8 sentences. You can say by changing people we have made good. We need more boys to play. We need more boys to play. Good, we need more women to play. Good, we need more person to play. Good, we need more students to play. Good, we need more girls to play. So instead of people we can insert boys, women, person, student, girls. So these are 5 phrases. Then you can also change good. Instead of, you can say great, we need more people to play. Great, we need more people to play. Excellent, we need more boys to play. Excellent, we need more boys to play. Awesome, we need more students to play. I have not translated this into Marathi because I wanted you to also little exercise. You take just little pain to make translate it into Marathi. So these are the some examples I have prepared. So you can, on that basis you can make a sum of phrases which is short but in full sentences. So thank you for this video. uh, to get more and more video on your screen, please subscribe my channel. uh, Thank you and good day.